Add a label to a plot with seaborn. I did a plot using seaborn. Here is my PLTT. I would like to add a label for each line. Can you help me please? Thank you in advance, Edit. I try like you mentioned. But I got this error. In call self, obj, 337 past 338 else, greater than 339 return printer obj 340 hash finally look for special method names 341 method equals underscore safe underscore get underscore formatter underscore method obj, self dot print underscore method. In, fig, 226-227 if PNG and formats, greater than 228 PNG underscore formatter dot for underscore type figure, lambda fig, print underscore figure fig, PNG, corgs, 229 if retina and formats or PNG 2x and formats, 230 PNG underscore formatter dot for underscore type figure, lambda fig, retina underscore figure fig, corgs. In print underscore figure fig, FMT, bbox underscore inches, corgs, 117-118 bytes underscore IO equals bytes EO, greater than 119 fig dot canvas dot print underscore figure bytes underscore IO, KW, 120 data equals bytes underscore IO dot get value 121 if FMT equals SVG. In print underscore figure self, file name, P, face color, edge color, orientation, format, corgs, 2178 orientation equals orientation, 2179 dryer and equals true, greater than 2180 corgs, 2181 renderer equals self dot figure dot underscore cached renderer 2182 bbox underscore inches equals self dot figure dot get underscore type box renderer. In print underscore PNG self, file name underscore or underscore obj, args, corgs, 525-526 def print underscore PNG self, file name underscore or underscore obj, args, corgs, greater than 527 figure canvas ag dot draw self 528 renderer equals self dot get underscore renderer 529 original underscore p equals renderer dot p. In draw self 472-473 try, greater than 474 self.figure.draw self.renderer 475 finally, 476 renderer rag.lock.release. In draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 59 def draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 60 before artist, renderer, greater than 61 draw artist, renderer, args, corgs, 62 after artist, renderer, 63. In draw self, renderer, 1157 su.sort key equals item getter 0, 1158 for sorter, a, func, args in su, greater than 1159 func args 1161 renderer dot close underscore group figure. In draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 59 def draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 60 before artist, renderer, greater than 61 draw artist, renderer, args, corgs, 62 after artist, renderer, 63. In draw self, renderer, in frame, 2322-2323 for Zorder, A in Su, greater than 2324 A. Draw renderer 2325-2326 renderer. Close underscore group axis. In draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 59 def draw underscore wrapper artist, renderer, args, corgs, 60 before artist, renderer, greater than 61 draw artist, renderer, args, corgs, 62 after artist, renderer, 63. In draw self, renderer, args, corgs, 1104 renderer. Open underscore group name 1105. Greater than 1106 ticks underscore to underscore draw equals self dot underscore update underscore ticks renderer 1107 tick labile boxes. Tick labile boxes 2 equals self dot underscore get underscore tick underscore boxes ticks underscore to underscore draw 1108 renderer. In underscore update underscore tick self, renderer, 947-948 interval equals self dot get underscore view underscore interval, greater than 949 tick underscore tups equals, t for t and self dot eater underscore ticks, 950 if self dot underscore smart underscore bounds, 951 hash handle inverted limits. In, 0.0, 947-948 interval equals self dot get underscore view underscore interval, greater than 949 tick underscore tups equals, t for t and self dot eater underscore ticks, 950 if self dot underscore smart underscore bounds, 951 hash handle inverted limits. In eater underscore tick self 890 iterate through all of the major and minor ticks. 891, greater than 892 major locks equals self dot major dot locator 893 major ticks equals self dot get underscore major underscore ticks len major locks 894 self dot major dot formatter dot set underscore locks major locks. In call self 1004 def call self 1005 return the locations of the ticks greater than 1006 self dot refresh 1007 return self dot underscore locator 1008.
You can specify the label names to each subplot axis and use plt.legend to add the appropriate legends to the center right corner.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.